This summer, it's all about bringing the heat to your patio. We're talking serious color heat with the latest trends in potted plants. Kalanchoes and calendivas bring cheer with shades from yellows to reds, ideal for bright spots. Potted roses add elegance and charm, while potted chrysanthemums are anything but boring, with long-lasting flowers in stunning two-tone varieties. And let's not forget Xanthidacea, adding sophistication with striking spades in a variety of colors. Now, let's talk pots and pot covers. Choose statement pots in ceramic, concrete, terracotta, or even baskets and metal for a touch of fun. And mix textures and colors that complement both foliage and flowers. If repotting, opt for pots 1 to 2 sizes bigger than their current pot to allow for growth. And pot covers should hide plastic pots without them sticking out. Keep your summer display vibrant by watering when the soil feels dry, taking special care not to let potted roses dry out completely. Remember, pots have drainage holes, while pot covers don't. Remove the plant from the cover to water thoroughly and let it drain before replacing it. Keep your pots sheltered from wind and feed with liquid or granular fertilizer every 6 weeks. Find everything you need for your summer patio at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find a garden centre near you.